Set up video for Mini Orange Social Login plugin on WordPress. In Social Login plugin, click on any icon. Here you will get an option to pre-configured app. For that you need to register with Mini Orange. Here is the form to register with Mini Orange. If you don't want to register and set up your own custom app, click on this text. To set up custom app, follow this instruction. From this link you will get on app developer page. After setting up all step, on 8th step you will get client ID and client secret. Get your app ID and app secret, and paste it in following field. Now click on Save. Your app have been set up now. Click on Test Configuration. If test configuration gets successful, that means you has set up custom app properly. Now go to Social Icons. You can see that Google icon has get activated. Here you will get option to enable and disable app. Now click on another app icon. Here we are going to set up pre-configured app. Enable that option. If you don't have account with Mini Orange, then get register. If already have an account, then get login with Mini Orange. Enter your credential and click login. Login successful. Pre-configured option will get enable now. Here we don't need to enter app ID and app secret. Go to your social icons. As you have registered with Mini Orange, now you can enable any app without any custom app setup. Here you can change icon position as per your requirement. You need to select drag option from left up corner and drop at your any position. Now go on Customize Social Login icon tab. Here you will get preview your app position as you have set. You can edit your preview icon as per your requirement. Select any shape for your icon. Click Custom Background option. You can select various color option from it. You can also increase size of icons and get space between them. Below customize text for social login button. You can also edit text to show above login. Customize text to show user after login. Text to show before the logout link. And then save it. Next go to Display Options tab. Here you need to select options where you want to display the social login icons. In that login form selected default. Next we provide WordPress display options, where you can select position of icons on WordPress registration and login form. We also provide WooCommerce display options. You can select position of social login icons on WooCommerce registration and login form. Click on Save button. Now go to Redirect Options tab. Redirect option use for redirect user after login on a specific page. Select Redirect URL where you want to redirect user, account dashboard, also you can add custom URL. Select option as per requirement. You can also add redirect URL after user get logout. Enable this option. Select following option to redirect user. Next, enable registration redirection. This option is used to redirect to the page provided in the option after user is getting registered. Enable it. You can select following option like account dashboard, or you can add custom URL. Save it. Here click on Need Help button on right side. We also provide support form. If you have query related to our plugin, then enter query here, and submit your query. We will contact you soon. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.